Hello lovely people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing you this glitter smoky eye look, and if you wanna see how I created this look, so please keep on watching. Firstly, I'll be using this fluffy brush for my crease, and I am taking this light brown shade from Jaclyn Hill palette and putting it on my crease. Now for my outer V, I'll be using this medium fluffy brush. Don't place your eyeshadow at the corner of your eye, just place it on your outer V. And I'm taking this dark brown shade for my outer V. Now again using this same fluffy brush, I am blending these two colors together. Now I am using this Swiss Beauty glitter palette and using this glitter with the help of this flat brush, and I am gonna apply this glitter on my lid. After this, it's time for eyeliner, and I am not applying any winged eyeliner for this eye look. I am just applying a single layer of liner and simply smudging it with black eyeshadow. For the lower lash line, I am using the same brown shade which I applied on my crease. Now I am applying this black kajal on my waterline. Now I am applying this Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara on my lashes. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Please do like, comment and share. Bye!